Hello everyone, this is the fourth video in the series. Following the previous videos, we'll be simulating a working pfSense router by sharing its Wi-Fi with phones, creating a highly secure system. Of course, it's better than using a regular router that doesn't have security features. Let's take a look at how to set it up. Let's look at how to configure the pfSense router to share internet as a Wi-Fi connection for mobile devices. First, remove the USB plugin in VMware to prevent pfSense from using the USB Wi-Fi adapter on the system. We will use the Windows system to share the internet from the pfSense router via the USB Wi-Fi adapter. Configure your internet interface according to this video, or in the previous clip, as there's hardly anything to change. We're just checking if the internet interface is correct. If it's not like mine, you won't be able to share the internet, because the process is very complicated. Once you get the hang of it, it's easy. In this video, there might be some IP address changes compared to the previous video, but don't worry. My computer froze for some reason during testing, so I had to reconfigure the pfSense router. It's okay if the IP addresses don't match exactly. Just follow the steps in the previous video, and it should work. Next, connect to the internet, whether via LAN or Wi-Fi using your main LAN card, and then use a USB Wi-Fi adapter that supports soft AP mode. I will use my notebook's Wi-Fi card to connect to the internet as usual, and then use a USB device that can function in hands-off AP mode to share the Wi-Fi. Default text next. We'll open the command prompt with administrator privileges to check if our USB Wi-Fi hotspot is compatible. If it is, it will show hosted network supported. It must be yes. Note the cards that cannot share. I'll show you a comparison. My main Wi-Fi cards couldn't share, so I bought a USB Wi-Fi adapter to supplement it. Default text pay close attention to this. If your main internet card can function in hotspot mode, you don't need to buy a USB Wi-Fi adapter. However, if, after checking, you find that it cannot host your network, you will need to purchase a USB Wi-Fi adapter to distribute the signal. Next, set the Wi-Fi name and password using this command as an example. You can name it anything you like. I'll leave an example in the video description. Copy this command into the command prompt. Importantly, you will need admin privileges. Next, copy this command to share your Wi-Fi. If it doesn't work, we'll look at how to fix it. You'll see that using this command results in an error and prevents sharing. Go to Device Manager to restart the primary network card, then try sharing the internet again. Click on Disable and then Enable. Then reconnect to Wi-Fi. Observe whether the hostnet driver reappears. It should be dark blue when you reconnect like this. If you lose your Wi-Fi connection after using the hot driver feature, you need to update or reinstall the Wi-Fi driver if you don't have one or can't find it. After reconnecting to the internet, copy the command prompt as before to use the internet again. This time, you should be able to share the internet. You'll notice my Wi-Fi name is showing now, but I can't actually access the internet yet. We'll be sharing the internet from the pfSense router to this Wi-Fi network. Right-click on the VMNETA internet card and select Properties. Then, enable sharing by checking the Local Area Connect option and clicking OK. After sharing the internet from the pfSense router to the USB Wi-Fi adapter, connect your phone to test it. You will notice that the IP address is a series of numbers. This indicates that it is correct. After sharing the internet from the pfSense router to the USB Wi-Fi adapter, connect your phone to test the connection. You will notice that the IP address 192.168.137.xx, the correct range. Now, reconnect to Wi-Fi. You'll notice that I can now use the internet. And importantly, I'm using the internet from the pfSense router. If you feel it's slow, I'll show you how to configure the internet system to make it faster. Disconnect the main Wi-Fi card and then reconnect. Check your phone again. The internet should now be stronger and faster than before. Next, We'll configure the main Wi-Fi card to receive a strong internet signal. Follow my instructions. Adjust the Wi-Fi card's power mode to full power. Go to Device Manager greater, then right-click on Intel or Wireless AC 9560 greater, then select Properties. Go to the Advanced tab. Look for the Transmit Power section and set it to highest. Look for the Preferred Band section, if available, and select the 5 GHz band if your phone or receiving device supports it, as this provides a stronger and faster signal than the 2.4 GHz band, which often encounters a lot of interference. To check if you've successfully shared internet from your pfSense router as a USB Wi-Fi adapter, go to the pfSense router's homepage, press the plus button, and select the traffic graph. Observe the graph. When you use a phone connected to the internet via pfSense, you will see usage, which means you have successfully accessed the internet using the highest level of security. Finally, it's done. We have internet access, and it's secure. Peace of mind guaranteed? Yay! We finally successfully set everything up. I'm so happy for you. Getting through the internet sharing setup and fine-tuning process to get it working was exhausting, but it was totally worth it. Now we have smooth internet access and peace of mind regarding security. We've set up a strong Wi-Fi password to prevent unauthorized access and ensured everything is in order. Applause all around. You did a great job. Enjoy using this secure and smooth internet for a long time to come.